If you've just picked up a brand new Xbox Series S or X, this video is going to walk you through the setup step by step. Quick, simple, and with the answers to the most common questions people ask when setting up their console for the first time. Let's get straight into it and get you gaming. So in the box, you'll find a console, a power cable, and a HDMI 2.1 cable, the controller, and a pair of AA batteries. The AA batteries are for the controller. The HDMI included is fast enough for everything your Xbox can do. 4K, HDR, up to 120 Hz, all of it. And a question I get a lot is, can you use your old Xbox controllers? Well, yes, all Xbox One and newer controllers work perfectly on the Series S and X, so if you already have your favorite controller, you're good. Next, we need to get you connected. Plug the HDMI cable from your console into your TV, then plug in the power cable. If you've got the Xbox Series X, remember the big vent on top is there for a reason. Make sure it's not pressed against a wall or inside a tight cabinet. The Series S also has ventilation spots that need breathing room. And yes, these consoles do get warm, that's normal. But by allowing them enough ventilation, we can stop them from overheating. Push the power button, and when the Xbox powers on, to connect the Xbox controller, hold the Xbox button until it lights up. If it doesn't automatically connect, hit the sync button on the bottom of the console, then on the controller. They'll pair in a couple of seconds. And after the setup's done, definitely update the controller. Just go into your settings, devices and connections, accessories, and update. We can do that once we've finished setting up the console. To finish setting up your Xbox, you can do this with or without the Xbox app. Option 1, using the Xbox app. The fastest way to finish the setup is with the Xbox app on your phone. Open it, sign in, and enter your setup code you see on your TV. This lets you sign in instantly, type your Wi-Fi password on your phone, which is easier, sync your settings and friend list automatically. You do need a Microsoft account. That's what stores your saves, purchases, and achievement. Basically, it's your Xbox gaming life. If you don't have one, the app will help you make one in under a minute. Option 2, setting up without the app. If you prefer not to use the app, that's totally fine. Choose Setup on Console and follow the steps on screen. You'll pick your language, connect your Wi-Fi, and sign in to your Microsoft account on screen. So tip, if your console is placed close to your internet router, you can use Ethernet cable to connect directly into the console and the router, which bypasses the Wi-Fi setup. So we'll sign in with your Microsoft account using the on-screen keyboard. Or if you don't have one, you can create one right on your console. Same result, it just takes a little bit longer without your phone. Next, your Xbox will probably download a system update. This is completely normal. People always ask, can I play something while it updates? For the very first setup, no. But once you're past this point, you can set your Xbox to update while it sleeps, so it doesn't affect your gaming at all. Now, for games and storage, this is a big topic, and a question we get asked is, how many games can the Series S hold? Well, typically between 4 and 7 big modern titles, depending on the size of the game. Can you use an external hard drive? Yes. Any USB 3.0 drive works. You can run older Xbox One and 360 games right from it. Series S and X optimized games can be stored externally, but need to be moved to internal storage or an expansion card to play. Once your console is ready, you'll want to start installing games, and there are a few ways to do this. Whether you're using discs, digital purchases, or Game Pass, you can get into your first game quickly. Good news, moving games is quick, and it keeps your internal storage free for most of the stuff you want to play. Discs with the Xbox Series X. Insert your disc into the console and it will automatically begin to install. You will still need an internet connection to download updates, even for disc-based games. To purchase new digital games, go to the Microsoft Store on your Xbox or use the Xbox app on your phone. To find games you've already purchased, go to My Library, All Owned Games on the console. This lists everything tied to your Microsoft account, so you can re-download anytime without repurchasing. Then there is Game Pass, which lets you download a library of games included within your subscription. Browse the Game Pass tab on your console, pick a game and download it. Games from Game Pass are installed like any other digital game, and you can play them offline while your subscription is active. Now, Game Pass has 3 tiers: Game Pass Essentials, Game Pass Premium, and Game Pass Ultimate. Now, for the purpose of this video, we're going to look at Ultimate as it covers everything. It gives you access to 400 plus games, day one releases from Xbox studios, including some third-party studios. It gives you access to a wide range of Call of Duty games, including the latest Call of Duty Black Ops 7. It includes EA Play, Ubisoft Plus Classics, online console multiplayer, Fortnite Crew, and it allows you to cloud game at the fastest available speeds on your console, your PC, mobile, tablet, Fire Stick, Smart TV, or your Meta Quest. Plus a whole host of in-game benefits and discounts. You can also earn up to 100,000 reward points towards purchases in the Microsoft Store with Game Pass Ultimate. While your games install, let's hit a few common questions. Can multiple people use the same Xbox? Absolutely. Just add profiles. Each person gets their own saves and achievements. They will also need a Microsoft account. If this Xbox is for a child in your household, or you're setting up an extra profile for a younger member, there is a playlist right here for parental settings that you might want to check out, where I show you how to set everything up so you can select anything from who they talk to online to what games you think are appropriate. One more quick question. Should you switch to rechargeable batteries? Yes, AA rechargeable batteries or a Microsoft rechargeable battery pack will save you money and hassle over time. And that's your full Xbox setup. Console connected, controller synced, updates done, storage sorted, and your first games installed. If this has helped you out, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Drop a comment telling me what game you're starting with on your new console. And thanks for watching, and I will see you soon for more content. Ciao.